everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to do customizable wallpapers or aesthetic wallpapers like the ones you see right here. I'm going to put my wallpapers right there. So if you want to see how to learn how to do that, then keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to start screen recording. So now that I'm screen recording, I'm going to show you guys my wallpaper, my current wallpaper, which is that one. That's the screen recording thing. Okay. My current wallpaper, which is that one. And then this is the other wallpaper, the home wallpaper. So to do this, you don't need a specific app per se. I used Instagram to do the ones you see right there. But you can use Canva, you can use Pixar, you can use Fonto, and Instagram. So first, what I do is I look for some quotes. So you just go to Google and write transparent quotes. So they have to be transparent, so you don't see the white background or the background of the thing in your wallpaper. So it just looks like that. I keep showing it. Okay. So it just looks like that. So to know if it's actually transparent, you can see this one right here. This one right here. Let me see if it's transparent. Yes, this one's transparent. So if you see, it had a white background, and as soon as you click it, you see the little squares. In this case, this one has the little squares, but you need to download it, and I don't know. I haven't actually tried it that way. Because if you save it to your camera roll like that, you will see the squares in your picture. So you don't want the squares in your picture. You want this one, which then the squares appear, and when you save them to your photos, it will be transparent. Okay, so also if your quote is not transparent and you have a MacBook or a computer, which you could change it, at least in the MacBook, I can show you right here that you can take any picture and take it, and when you save it to your desktop, when you open it, there's a little I think it's like a pencil, and then there's a little wand, which when you click that and you mark all the parts that you want not to be in your picture, click delete, it will convert it into transparent. But then you'll have to pass that again to your phone or to wherever you're gonna do that. So if you want to do it all from your phone, then you just try to find the ones that are actually transparent. So I already went and found my favorite ones. So yeah, so now what you're gonna do is you can go to Pinterest or Google and look for whatever type of background you want. And this one that I had already, the background was only the yellow background and the word happy. And in this one, the background was only the yellow background and the little flower. The rest was added on to it. So let's go to, I'm going to be going to Pinterest. And this is my Pinterest, just in case. And I'm going to be going to here where it says aesthetic and see if I like any of them like that. So I'll be back as soon as I pick one. Okay, I am back. I have about 5 or 6 that I like, and I'm going to be choosing 2 out of this ones, but I'm going to be showing ones that I got, so just in case you guys need any inspiration. Okay, so the first one that I have is this one, which is an aesthetic cloud, and it's really purple vibe. This is the same one, yeah. This is sort of similar, but it also has turquoise and it has glitter and it has little bees. This one is just obviously purple and with the don't give up phrase. I really like when they have cute phrases like that because mostly when you open your phone and that's the first thing you'll see. This one I really like, which is good things are coming, because even though this year has been really crazy, I think it's really good to believe that good things will come. And then this one, which says just don't exist, just leave. So right now I think I'm gonna be choosing this too to decorate, which is the good things are coming and the don't exist, just leave. Okay, so now we're gonna be taking this off to Instagram and I'll be showing you guys what I actually do there. Okay, so now we're gonna go to Instagram. I'm going to be doing mine off of Instagram, but as I said earlier, you can do it with other apps, which allows you to just add pictures to it and text, because that's all you need to do. So, let's go. Okay, here's me. Okay, so what you're going to do is, I'm going to take this one first. And what I did is, I'm going to see if that looks right. I cropped the picture of the one that said don't give up, and I think it's pretty cute if we put it like that. Yes, it looks cute because it's don't give up, good things are coming. It looks pretty cute. Okay, then let me see, then we can go to the little quotes and just like have this like that, or change it, I think like this. You can also, Instagram has a lot of GIFs or GIF or however it is. Instagram has a lot of GIFs that you can put, or little stickers. So you can just put like this cute one that says love. I think it's like cute over there, and then here. I think that looks pretty cute. Okay, I think I'll put this the other way around. There we go. Okay, so then something I did, which I'm gonna be doing it in the next picture, is to write things around the picture, which I'll be showing you guys right now. Okay, so I have this one saved. Now we just gotta go to this one. This one says don't just exist, live. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be using a quote that I got that it's about traveling. It says see the world. So I'm gonna be putting that right at the bottom. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to my favorites and just look for pictures of me doing something that I really enjoy doing. Okay, so we are back and we are now, I've chosen some pictures, and so yeah, like what you can do, see, is you can just put those pictures around. Oh. Okay, so after you put on your pictures, then you can go to writing something. For example, you can write travel. Put the little dot right there and write it again. And the little point. You can also put it at the beginning if you want. Then just copy that. What you're gonna do is you're gonna put that really small right on top of a picture. And then you're going to paste it again and put it on the side of the picture like that. And then do the same with your other pictures. Okay, so then as soon as you have that, you can also do your own and do like a GIF. So you can write travel, or like a word that sort of describes what you're doing in the pictures or something. Like for example, this cute waves could be one. Let me put it about the same size as that. There we go. Okay, so for me, I'm going to leave it as that. And that will be my new wallpaper. I'm going to be putting it on right now. What I'm going to do is go to my camera roll and take the two of them, and then I'm going to screenshot it, because since I have a GIF, I can put the video as my lock screen wallpaper, because if I hold it, then it will like move. But I can't do that for my home wallpaper, and I barely use the live pictures for the home wallpaper, so I'm going to be screenshotting them. So there are actual pictures, and then you can just crop the edges. Okay, so finally we are going to be putting the wallpaper on. So we go to choose wallpaper, you go to your photos, and you choose the wallpaper you want, and you can like crop it into place. Okay, so just in case, if there were to be a problem of fitting the picture, because usually there isn't, like with my last one there wasn't, but with this one is a little too big, and one of the things that I have won't fully fit, so I will be showing you what to do. You take it over to Instagram, or I know PixArt does it too, where you can put like an extra background to it. And in Instagram, what you're going to do is you just make the picture smaller. And I don't want to do it that small because it's not that much. That doesn't fit. So. And I still want it to look good. There you go. And just save it and just try it on with that one. That one is a lot better. Yes, that one does work. Okay, so then set. And you're going to click set as lock screen. Then you're going to check if the other one actually fits in your place. Okay, so yes, after you choose where each photo goes, you will be able to see it. This is how the home screen one turned out, and this is how the lock screen turned out. I think they turned out pretty cute. That is basically it of how I did that one, and I am going to put side by side. This is the one I have now and the one that I have, that I used to have, so you guys can see that they're basically done the exact same way, and you can do it like that. Okay, so that is basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more, and comment down below any ideas you guys want me to do, and ring the notification bell so you know when I post. So yeah,